Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from the USA to the Philippines in 2025. Whether you're supporting family, paying for services, or handling international business, this guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. With advancements in technology, sending money has become faster and more secure than ever before. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to choose the right method for transferring money. In 2025, popular options include traditional services like Western Union and MoneyGram, digital apps like PayPal, Wise, or even newer blockchain-based platforms that offer lightning-fast transfers with lower fees. I recommend starting by comparing these based on your needs. Think about speed, cost, and convenience. Step 1. Sign up or log in to your chosen service. Most platforms now have user-friendly apps that let you create an account in minutes. You'll need to verify your identity, which is a quick process involving ID uploads or bank linking to comply with 2025's stricter international regulations. Next, enter the recipient's details. Make sure you have their full name, address, and bank account information in the Philippines. Double-check everything to avoid delays. It's a game changer for smooth transactions. Now, for the fun part: initiating the transfer. Select the amount in USD, and the service will show you the converted amount in Philippine pesos based on the current exchange rate. In 2025, real-time rates are standard, so you won't get caught off guard. Be aware of any fees. Aim for services with transparent pricing to save money. Before you hit send, here's a pro tip. Always use secure connections, enable two-factor authentication, and keep an eye on exchange rate fluctuations. The Philippine Central Bank's updates in 2025 make transfers even more reliable, but it's smart to track your transaction status online. Once it's done, the money usually arrives in 1 to 3 business days or instantly with some apps. That's it. You've successfully sent money across the globe. Wrapping up, sending money from the USA to the Philippines in 2025 is easier than ever with the right tools. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.